Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Ford Flex in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power. And with all-wheel drive capabilities, you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a nice power liftgate that opens up and out of the way for you, revealing your third row seats, where you do have seating for two with their own cubbies and cup holders, and you do have seating for 7 people in this vehicle. You can, of course, also fold your seats flat to have a ton of cargo room with your rear power controls here, and then you can close the hatch again with another simple press of a button. And then looking into the back seat, we have spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having your rear climate controls, a 12-volt power outlet, and 2 more cup holders with a storage cubby there. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, I believe, as well, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the odometer, you can see it's sitting at 115,684 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen here, where you can go to your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, and your controls for your left screen, where you can look at your RPMs with oil temperature, your distance to empty, your regular RPMs, and then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy, driver assist settings, and general settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and AV, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. In the bottom right, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. In the top right, you have your navigation screens. You're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. And in the top left, you have your Bluetooth phone controls. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then you have your physical media controls and your physical climate controls. Then you have a cubby down here, as well as your button to activate your active park assist for parallel parking and things of the sort. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have 2 cup holders, you have a little cubby here. Do have a 12-volt power outlet over here for your front passenger to make use of. And then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, with 2 USBs, SD, AV, and another 12 volt, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio that way. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top that also extends to the back, where there's multiple panels that can be opened or closed as your passengers desire. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.